Verily, Allah enjoins justice, and the doing of good to others, and giving like kindred, and forbids indecency, and manifest evil, and wrongful transgression. The Holy Quran, an-Nahl, 16:91. This verse sets forth 3 gradations of doing good. The first is the doing of good in return for good. This is the lowest gradation, and even an average person can easily acquire this gradation, that he should do good to those who do good to him. The second gradation is a little more difficult than the first, and that is to take the initiative in doing good out of pure benevolence. This is the middle grade. Most people act benevolently towards the poor, but there is a hidden deficiency in benevolence, that the person exercising benevolence is conscious of it and desires gratitude or prayer in return for his benevolence. If on any occasion the other person should turn against him, he considers him ungrateful. On occasion he reminds him of his benevolence or puts some heavy burden upon him. The third grade of doing good is graciousness as between kindred. God Almighty directs that in this grade there should be no idea of benevolence or any desire for gratitude, but good should be done out of such eager sympathy as, for instance, a mother does good to her child. This is the highest grade of doing good, which cannot be exceeded. But God Almighty has conditioned all these grades of doing good with their appropriate time and place. The verse cited above clearly indicates that if these virtues are not exercised in their proper places, they would become vices. Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad alayhi salam.
गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है। गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है। और रात जो आएगी तो परवानों को गम क्या, जलता हुआ पुरनूर खिलाफत का दिया है, जलता हुआ पुरनूर खिलाफत का दिया है। गुजरे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है।